Hey, I'm Andrew McCurry with Father Nature Landscapes. We have been in business since 2006. Started up in Tacoma, Washington. That's when we first incorporated and opened our branch here in Birmingham in 2009. We do high-end residential installation, design, and property management. We use the Vermeers to build outdoor living spaces. Move dirt, push, pull, trench, auger, bore, just about everything on a residential and commercial job site. What Vermeer represents to me is they're a fulfillment center. When I need something, it happens. They're very customer service focused, they're very accommodating, and they execute. And what I mean by execute is when I ask a question, or if I need a proposal, or if I need help, or a part, or anything, it's there. And then generally there's a follow-up visit, not just a phone call, but he pulls up to make sure everything has been done well. And other equipment dealers only wanted my sales. We've been running this competitive brand for years, and we were just even usable parts such as tracks. You know, we were budgeting a set of tracks once a year, and we're putting the same amount of hours on these machines, but we're not going through parts like we used to. The biggest challenge to our business right now is people. And but once we have our people here, we have to keep them equipped. So it's not a challenge anymore now that I have a unit that can show up and operate each and every day that we put it to use.